Welcome to Monarch Glen. Let's take a look at the progress of our brand new community clubhouse. Starting out front and looking to the right, this open space is where the fun happens. We're currently prepping for our pickleball and bocce ball courts. And as we pan back to the left, imagine a beautiful community garden right here. Let's step inside. You're now entering the lounge. With the vaulted ceilings and a massive stone fireplace, this is where the community comes together. Picture cozy seating, warm lighting, and great conversation. The craftsmanship here is incredible. From the rustic beams to the floor-to-ceiling stonework, it's designed to feel both elevated and comfortable at the same time. Moving through, we come to one of my favorite features, the billiards room. These wood slat walls give it such a clean, sophisticated feel. It's going to be a go-to for game nights. And throughout the space, you'll notice we've kept that connection to the outdoors, with views of the pond always in sight. Next up is the fitness center. With oversized mirrors and large windows, you'll be able to enjoy the views while getting in your workout. Heading back into the main hub, take a look at the kitchen. With high-end cabinetry and plenty of counter space, it's built for hosting everything from holidays to casual get-togethers. Just off the lounge, these doors lead out to the covered deck. This space will connect directly to the resort-style pool area, which you can see taking shape now. On this side of the building, we have a versatile flex space. We're planning additional lounge seating here, perfect for relaxing with a book or catching up with neighbors. From here, you'll have views of the pickleball courts, bocce ball, patio, fire pits, and a tot lot. And beyond the tree line, there will eventually be direct access to the Georgetown Lewis bike trail. Down this hall, we have fully equipped men's and women's restrooms. And finally, this space will serve as our cards and meeting room. Whether it's a club gathering or game night, there's plenty of room for everyone. From here, you'll also catch a view of the community entrance, featuring a beautiful fountain pond. The vision for Monarch Glen is really coming to life, and we can't wait for you to experience it in person. Give us a call or stop by to schedule your tour. We'd love to show you around.